Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making Filipino adobo, which is possibly the most popular Filipino dish worldwide. Not only is it so good, but it's relatively easy to make because it only uses three main ingredients: the meats, the soy sauce, and the vinegar. This perfect blend of soy sauce and vinegar is what makes this dish so delicious. So come and join me as I share this recipe with you. And as always, I'm going to be sharing some tips and hacks with you along the way, so make sure you watch all the way to the end so you don't miss out. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below so you can follow our channel. These are the ingredients with the exact measurements. You can also find them in the description box below. For this dish, I'm going to be using chicken and pork. There is something about combining the juices of both that makes this recipe so much more flavorful. The first thing we're going to do is slice the pork belly and the chicken breasts into medium-sized chunks. The meat will shrink after cooking, so you don't want to slice it into small chunks. Now we're going to add the Sprite. I like using Sprite because it adds sweetness to the marinade and it contains citric acid, which helps to tenderize the meat. Now we're going to add the garlic powder. Now we massage the meat to blend in the garlic. You can always add more Sprite and garlic powder. The amount of Sprite and garlic powder depends on how much meat you are marinating. In this case, I'm marinating 3 pounds of meat between the pork belly and the chicken. So I'm using 1 cup of Sprite and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, but feel free to adjust as needed. Just make sure that it's enough liquid to cover the meat. Afterwards, we're going to cover it with plastic wrap and let it marinate in the fridge overnight. Once you've marinated the meat overnight, you are now ready to cook your adobo. First, we're going to heat up some oil in a pan. Then we're going to saute the garlic until it turns golden brown. Now we're going to add the meat. We're going to turn up the heat to high and brown all sides. We're not trying to cook the meat all the way though. We are only browning it. Now we're going to add the soy sauce and the whole peppercorns. We're going to keep stirring to allow the meat to absorb the flavors. At this point, we are adding the remaining juices from the marinade. And now we're adding the vinegar and the bay leaves. Finally, we're adding fish sauce. This will really enhance the flavor and make your dish come alive. Next, we're gonna cover it and let it simmer on low heat. We'll keep checking on it and stirring every few minutes until the sauce is reduced and the meat is tender. Now that the sauce is reduced and the meat is tender, we are ready to enjoy our chicken and pork adobo with a side of steamed rice. Mmm, wow. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click on one of the thumbnails on the screen. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can follow our channel. And if you enjoy our videos, click the like button. Thank you so much and happy cooking!